Okay, so I'm about headed out the door to go home, and I thought it's about 30 degrees out. It's warmed up a little bit, but it's probably the warmest it's going to be for the next 7 or 8 days, because it's kind of looking like there's going to be some days only 15 degrees out. So why don't we do a cold start on the 50 rat rod? It has been started in a couple months. It shouldn't take much to get it going. It has electric fuel pump, but yeah, let's give it a whirl. I'll get the cover off it and see what we can do. Oh, is it dirty? Okay, no air. We won't be airing it up. We'll just fire it up without any air in the suspension. Okay, I'd say that's a success. 30 degrees in here. Not real cold. Just gonna stall. There's no choke on this. I have the idle turn way down on it, so it just kind of thumps along. That's a $150 motor. Well, carburetor, the intake, stuff like that was a lot more, but the headers, but that was a block sitting around, and threw it together, and this is what we got. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's throwing a little exhaust fumes because it's cold. It's the hot exhaust coming into the cold building. That kind of shows you how cold it is. So I'll rev her up a few more times. I don't want to rev up too much. It's still pretty cold, the motor, but there we go. Successful cold start. She's gonna come in soon. Got a rear end in here for her. Rebuilt rear end to go in it. This one is weeping all the time, no matter what we do to it. And The doors need to come off so I can finish the bottom of the doors. I got a little bit more welding to do on the floors, filling gaps. And then the air tanks for the suspension. Right now I kind of air it up. I air the tank up and then air it up. But yeah, gonna get that kind of stuff done when I get the back half of the truck off again to change the rear end. So, hey, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the new subscribers. I really appreciate it. You help make my channel great. I've got great followers, and I enjoy having them. A lot of good comments. So, again, thanks for subscribing, and hope you like the video. Probably I'll start this sometime in January. I usually try to start everything every month or two. Let it run a little bit. So stay tuned. We'll have some real cold starts when it gets down to 0. Thanks.